Hello everyone, this is Linda. So I'm in my garden, and yes, it's sprinkling raining right now and it's overcast, but I really want to do something with this. It's just too much. A lot of my Mexican sunflowers have fallen, and yeah, I just want to make it a little better. Yeah, so that's what I'm gonna do today. So I'll let y'all peep in every now and then, okay? I hope you all having a wonderful day. I hope you all enjoy watching me work. All right, guys. Well, this is day one, and it looks pretty good, I must say. A lot of work. Now, I need a bath. Yes, yes. And look over there. So I'm gonna take the Mexican sunflowers, the ones that's really nice, and I'm gonna put them in a vase, and I'm gonna put them on my dining room table and still enjoy them. But day two is gonna get real with all the other little ones down there. Yeah, but just gonna make my fall garden just a little bigger, just a little bigger. All right, guys, thanks for hanging out with me. Now, I gotta go. All right, guys, have a great day. Later, y'all. Woohoo!